Hi cars lovers and welcome to the Top First channel. Incredible interior, exterior, technologies, and all that with the gray known color. Meet Tesla Model Y. Tesla Model Y is one of the best-selling cars in the world. This is a spacious car that offers a lot of options and features. It is made using new injection molding machines, upgraded batteries, and a new structural battery pack. What will be new in 2023? What are the differences between the new 2023 Model Y and the older Model Y? To find out what year your Tesla is, you need to check the VIN. This is the 11th digit of the VIN. For 2023, the number should be 0. The P number will be for 2024. Starting from the exterior of the car, there are changes that you will notice right away. The wheels are exactly the same with the same options. This user has 20 induction wheels. The front of the 2023 Model Y new no longer has radar sensors. For the old model, you can see the sensors and their prints on the car. They look like small circles. Tesla now uses the vision system for everything. New vehicles will ship without front parking sensors, and we hope the update comes out as soon as possible. I think Tesla is trying to ship as many vehicles as possible and hasn't removed the radar due to a lack of chips. The 2-year-old machine has a lumbar support adjustment button. The buttons are slightly different on the new car. Where there used to be lumbar supports, there is a cutout. They received the data and said that the passenger lumbar support is used infrequently. It's probably just Tesla trying to reduce the number of chips and ship more cars. Tesla Model Y. Looking at the front of the car, there is a white interior around the inside of the doors, even with white paint. If you switch to the 2023 model, there is a black door with white trim. The material is also better on the inside of the doors. This is a good update. There is a function that helps with the sound in the car. Cars are noisy in the cabin because there is a lot of glass and plastic in the car. The old car has a lot of plastic and no trunk lid. The 2023 model year has carpeted upholstery on the inside of the doors. This is a great upgrade from Tesla to reduce outside noise. At the back, there is a trunk lid that is well designed. The trunk lid is magnetic and can be removed if necessary. The 2023 model has the same problem as the older model. The build quality of the part of the car where the carpet is exposed and not flush. This is a problem with both cars. Tesla is under attack for build quality issues and every little detail will be noticed. Another improvement is that the buttons have a matte finish and circuitry. There is also a carpet on the inside of the door. For the 2020 model, it's just plastic. This user paid $16,000 less for their Model Y, totaling $48,990. There is also a new center console, which is well made and a nice upgrade. The front subcompartment is still the same. Model Y has a new HEPA filter that covers a much larger area. This year, the Tesla Model Y will become the world's best-selling car in terms of revenue, and already in 2023, the #1 car in the world in terms of total sales. This confidence was expressed by the head of the company Elon Musk at the annual meeting of Tesla shareholders. Now the best-selling car in the world is the Toyota Corolla. From year to year, it takes first place in the overall standings. According to the results of 2021, its circulation amounted to 1.15 million copies. For comparison, over the same period, Tesla shipped a little more than 936,000 of all its 4 models to customers, but given the increase in production, there is a chance to change the bestseller. At the moment, Tesla produces about 300,000 Model 3 sedans and Model Y crossovers quarterly. Most of the workload lies at the factories in Fremont and Shanghai, and new factories in Austin and Berlin, which produce only Model Y, are still only at the build-up stage. In addition, problems in supply chains, including those associated with a shortage of microchips, interfere. But as soon as the troubles are eliminated, Both sites should reach a total capacity of over 1 million cars annually. Tesla has big goals for the near and long term, the first of which is to reach a production level of 2 million vehicles by the end of this year. In comparison, Volkswagen plans to produce 1.5 million electric vehicles annually in 2025 alone. Ford hopes to produce 2 million battery-powered vehicles by 2026, and General Motors says it wants to produce 1 million electric vehicles in 2025. Musk noted that the 2 million mark could be reached this year if everything goes according to plan. Meanwhile, Model Y is already doing well in the market. In the first half of 2022, it overtook the Germans and became the best-selling mid-size premium crossover in Europe. It was bought in the amount of 44,581 units, while the former leader, the Mercedes-Benz GLC, sold 40,554 units. Third place was taken by the BMW. Tesla is removing ultrasonic sensors from Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, the next step in Elon Musk's plan to use only cameras and software to support his advanced driver assistance system and other active safety features. Starting this month, all Model 3 and Model Y vehicles produced for North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Taiwan will no longer be equipped with the 12 ultrasonic sensors that were previously installed on the front and rear bumpers of vehicles. Such sensors, which measure distance using ultrasonic waves, are commonly used as parking proximity sensors. Tesla announced the changes about 17 months after it said it would remove the radar from its vehicles. The decision to ditch radar or ultrasonic sensors runs counter to the approach of the rest of the industry, which is adding rather than removing sensors from its vehicles to support self-driving systems. Automakers typically use a combination of radar and cameras or a laser rangefinder to provide adaptive cruise control, which adjusts the vehicle's speed to surrounding traffic and allows lane keeping and lane changes. Tesla began its so-called Tesla Vision plan in 2021 when it removed the radar from Model 3 and Model Y vehicles made in North America, and then in 2022 from Model S and Model X. Earlier this year, Tesla expanded the list, including the Model Y and Model 3 in Europe and the Middle East. Tesla has said it will begin removing ultrasonic sensors from Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. They will also be removed from Model S and Model X in 2023. Well, in principle, the changes in this model are almost the same as in the Model 3, which I reviewed in the last video. I highly recommend it to anyone who hasn't seen it yet. Still, the cars are practically from the same weight category, and therefore the differences are not so significant. Let's see how Tesla will show itself on the go, but for now I have to say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching, my dear friend. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel to be in touch in newest cars new. Bye bye, cars lovers.